Number one questions. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Mahatma Lal Bahadur Shastri. Third number question. What is the chemical formula of water? H2O. Correct answer. Four number question. In which years was the Indian National Congress established? 1885. Which is the longest river in India? Correct answer is Ganga. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What is the total number of articles in the Indian Constitutions? Correct answer is 448. 8 number question. What is the pH value of human blood? Correct answer is 7.4. 9 number questions. Which is the largest continent in the world? Correct answer is Asia. 10 number question. Who is known as the father of computer? The correct answer is Charles Babbage. In which year did the First World War begin? The correct answer is 1914 year. Where is the headquarters of RBI located? Correct answer is Mumbai. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? Correct answer is Godavari. Who is the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Who is the highest mountain peak in India? Kanchenjunga. Which gas is mainly responsible for the greenhouse effect? Correct answer is carbon dioxide. In which year was Niti Aayog established? Correct answer is 2015. Which Indian leader is known as the Missile Man of India? APJ Abdul Kalam. Correct answer. What percentage of Earth's?
In which year was the
In
Planning
which year
Commission
was
of
the
India
Planning
established?
Commission of India
The
established?
correct
The
answer
correct
is
answer is
1950.
1950.
When is National Science
When
Day
is National
celebrated in
Science
India?
Day celebrated
The
in
correct answer
India?
is
Correct answer is
28th February.
28th February.
Who was the
Who was
permanent
the
chairman
permanent
of the
chairman of
Constituent
the
Assembly?
Constituent Assembly?
The correct answer is
Correct answer is
Dr.
Dr.
Rajendra
Rajendra
Prasad.
Prasad.
Which was the
Which
first
was the
satellite of
first
India?
satellite of
The
India?
correct answer
Correct
is
answer is
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta.
Who was the
Who
founder of
was
the
the
Maurya
founder
dynasty?
of the
The correct
Maurya
answer is Chandragupta Maurya.
dynasty? Correct answer Chandra.
When is Earth Day
When
celebrated?
is Earth Day
The correct answer is
celebrated? Correct
22nd
answer is
April.
22 April.
Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight?
sunlight? Correct
The
answer
correct
is
answer is
vitamin D.
vitamin D. Who is the
Who
author of
is
the
the
Ramayana?
author of the Ramayana?
The correct answer
Correct
is
answer
Valmiki.
is Valmiki.
When were the
When
first
were
general
the
elections
first
held
general
in India?
elections held in
The correct
India?
answer
Correct
is
answer is
1951 to 52.
52.
Which award is given in the field of Indian cinema?
Indian cinema?
The correct answer is Dada Saheb Phalke Award.
That's a bit.
How many members are
How
there
many
in the Lok
members
Sabha
are
maximum
there in
strength?
the Lok
The
Sabha
correct answer is
maximum?
545.
545.